How's it going, y'all? Turn them wheels. We're going to be looking at another set of Yiyeie tools. It's an offset wrench and bolt extractor set. Model number Y is in Young Young 0031. They mostly focus on wrenches. Here's some information. Sinjin Latin Goji e-business. Yiyeie.com, Facebook, email. There's their address in China. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Made in China, but they're very good quality so far is what I've really noticed. Some people are haters about that. Some people say Taiwan is good, but I mean, so far these are very good quality. The Yiyeie tools that I've experienced, guys. And I've linked all the products in the description of each video. Let's see. All right, here comes this side. So it comes nice and evenly marked. Everything's labeled. We'll take it out the plastic. All right, so here's the Yiyeie offset wrench and bolt extractor set. It comes with a nice foam padding, so you can be able to go into your toolbox drawer liner. You got your different offset wrenches, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Pretty cool. So as you can see, you can go from that angle depending on how you're working, or you can go from this side, and so that's pretty cool. And it'll be able to go into there just like that. Fits so it'll only fit these. It's not like you can put in the wrong one. You can't fit that one. I mean, it's obviously made for these sizes, which is really cool. It's like custom made. 17, 16. And then you got your sockets with 3/8 socket. I believe they're 3/8. Yeah, they should all be 3/8 size right here. Here's your 10 millimeter, the one that everybody loses, and it's very popular on automotive, cars and trucks, vans. And you have a 3/8 socket, 9 millimeter. And I like how it has the different, let me go ahead and pan over here. It has all the different metric and standard SAE equivalents right here. So that's very cool. It shows both. 7/16, 11 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 3/8, 9 mil, 5/16, 8 mil, 12 millimeter, ½ inch, 13 mil, 3/4 up here. Also, you get a 3/8 socket adapter and a knockout pin. So you get a bunch of accessories in this kit. I'm going to be putting this to use, so this is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I have the Yiyeie tools right here. Offset wrench and bolt extractor out here on the vehicle, underneath the hood on the truck. I believe these should be a 10. So I don't know how well you can see. This little battery tray, these trucks came with the option for the second battery because they're built off the 2500 line. So these can really get in there and grab if something's stripped or you need to extract. I mean, it's basically what they're for. So this will be able to really get in there and grab and grip very well. There we go. Let's put it on the socket. That's tighten, that's loosen. As you can see, it goes on there very good. Oop, got that flex head. Use a quick release. There you go. Just pop it on there. And this will really help for stuff that's rusted. Put it on there. Let's see. So it'll grab it right here. It was able to already grab it and loosen it already. Check the other one. This one right here. Oh, it grabs good. Still loose or tight. Let's see. As you can see, it's got some play. We'll tighten it back up. Tighten this side. Pretty cool, guys. The Yiyeie tools, bolt and extractor set. You'll be able to use these. Here's a wrench. Same thing, get in a tight area. You can loosen it. We can flip it around. So for this side, this side won't work very good right here. But in this case, right here, it will. Loosen it, get a good leverage. There we go. Tighten it back up. All right, hope y'all can like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Turn them wheels out.